What topic out of many made an impact on you and why?
The topic of utilitarianism often leaves a lasting impact in ethics. Its focus on maximizing overall happiness can spark debates about the ethical implications of prioritizing collective well-being over individual rights, raising profound questions about the nature of morality and decision making.
As far as our subject is concerned, did the subject made you think about the world in a deeper sense? How?
Discussing ethical principles often involves examining different perspectives and considering the consequences of actions, which can contribute to a deeper understanding of the complexities in the world.
For you, why is ethics significant in our lives?
So, ethics is significant in our lives because it provides a framework for determining what is morally right or wrong. It guides our behavior, decision making, or decisions and interactions with others, fostering a sense of accountability and responsibility. A strong ethical foundation contributes to a more just and harmonious society, promoting trust, fairness, and empathy in our relationships and communities.
Do you see yourself applying the things taught here? How?
Yes, applying ethics involves being aware of ethical issues, understanding ethical theories, analyzing consequences, seeking guidance, reflecting on values, balancing conflicting principles, communicating openly, continuous learning, upholding integrity, and being accountable for decisions. It's an ongoing process that guides decision making and actions in a way that aligns with moral principles.
What quote, phrase, or saying that makes you remember our ethics discussion?
The praise or the phrase do unto others as you would have them do unto you encapsulates a fundamental ethical principle emphasizing reciprocity and empathy. It serves as a timeless reminder of ethical considerations in various discussions.
Message you would like to leave to your ethics instructor.
To Sir Marco Bargayo, our ethics subject instructor, thank you for guiding us, sir, through the intricate discussions of ethics. Your insights have been invaluable by shaping or in shaping our understanding of moral principles. Your dedication to fostering ethical thinking has made a lasting impact on our intellectual journey. I am grateful for your guidance, sir. Thank you again and God bless you always.